Good day everyone! In this video, we will discuss about simple annuity, specifically finding the present value. In the previous video, we have defined the following terminologies that are important in studying annuities. We have the annuity, the payment interval, the simple annuity, the term of an annuity which is represented by T, regular or periodic payment represented by R, amount or future value of an annuity represented by F, and the present value of an annuity which is represented by P. Moreover, in the last video, we have discussed on how to find the future value of an annuity. For this video, we will be discussing on how to find the present value of an ordinary annuity or an annuity immediate. To find the present value of an ordinary annuity, we will be using the formula P equals R sub n, which is equal to R times 1 minus quantity 1 plus j raised to negative n all over j, where R is the regular payment, j is the interest rate per period, and n is the number of payments. Let us consider to solve this problem using the formula presented earlier. Mr. Ribaya paid 200,000 pesos as down payment for a car. The remaining amount is to be settled by paying 16,200 pesos at the end of each month for 5 years. If interest is 10.5% compounded monthly, what is the cash price of his car? Note that the cash value or cash price is equal to the down payment, if there is any, plus the present value of the installment payments. Based on the problem, we have the following given. The value of R is equal to 16,200 since according to the problem, Mr. Ribaya pays 16,200 pesos at the end of each month. N, or the number of payments, is equal to 12 times 5, which is equal to 60. Because according to the problem, the payment of Mr. Ribaya is monthly within 5 years. Moreover, J is equal to 0.105 divided by 12. Because according to the problem, the interest is 10.5% compounded monthly. So, this is equal to 0.00875. Now, to find the present value, we will be using the formula P is equal to R times 1 minus quantity 1 plus j raised to negative n all over j. Since we are now complete with our given, we can now substitute the values of R, N, and J on our formula, giving us with P is equal to 16,200 times 1 minus 1 plus 0.00875 raised to negative 60 all over 0.00875. To find the value of P using our calculators, we need to input the following. 1 plus 0.00875, then equal sign, raised to negative 60, then equal sign, times negative 1, then equal sign, plus 1, equal sign, then divided by 0.00875, equal sign, then times 16,200, then equal sign. When we do that, our calculator will show us the answer to be 753,702.20. However, this is not yet the cash price of the car because this is just the present value of the installment of Mr. Ribaya, which amounts to 16,200 pesos monthly. Remember that the cash price is equal to the down payment plus the present value. Therefore, the cash price is equal to 200,000 plus 753,702.20, which is equal to 953,702.20. Therefore, the cash price of the car is equal to 953,702.20 pesos. Let us have another example. The buyer of a lot pays 50,000 pesos cash and 10,000 pesos monthly for 10 years. If money is 8% compounded monthly, how much is the cash value of the lot? To solve for the cash value of the lot, remember that the cash value is equal to the down payment plus the present value. To solve for the present value, we need to determine first the given of the problem. Based on the problem, we have the following given. R, or the amount of the regular payment, is equal to 10,000. N, which is the number of payments, is equal to 12 times 10 because the buyer pays 10,000 monthly for 10 years. So this is equal to 120. J, which is the interest rate per period, is equal to 0.08 divided by 12 since it was given that the money is 8% compounded monthly. So when we simplify this is equal to 0.0067. Remember that for us to be able to solve for the present value, we will be using the formula P is equal to R times 1 minus quantity 1 plus J raised to negative N all over J. Since we are now complete with our given, we will just need to substitute the values of R, N, and J on our formula. Hence, we will have P is equal to 10,000 times 1 minus quantity 1 plus 0.0067 raised to negative 120 all over 0.0067. To find its value using calculator, what we need to input on our calculator are the following. 1 plus 0.0067 equal sign raised to negative 120 equal sign times negative 1 equal sign plus 1 equal sign divided by 0.0067 equal sign times 10,000 then equal sign. Finally, the calculator will show us the value 822,780.77. However, this is just the present value, and we were asked for the cash value. The cash value is equal to the down payment plus the present value. Therefore, the cash price or the cash value is equal to 50,000 plus 822,780.77, which is equal to 872,780.77 pesos. Therefore, the cash value of the lot is 872,780.77. I hope that you have understood the lesson. For the next video, we will still be discussing about simple annuity, but about finding the regular payments. Thank you so much for listening and see you on our next video.